Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI issues on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you're scrolling down until you find this application of ChatGPT. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. In this page here you will search about the application of ChatGPT and you will click. If you find update in this blue sign, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.